welcome back to my channel. It's officially fall now, like it's getting really chilly outside and I'm wearing a sweater, like what's happening? So today I thought it would be really cool to sit down and review the latest Urban Decay Naked palette, which is this one right here. It's the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. So as you can probably see from the name, it has some cherry colors, darker burgundy shades, some light pink shades. So I'm going to be doing some first impressions and also some close-up swatches. I'm a big fan of the Naked palette. I've used the first one since it came out. Now it looks like this. You can see that some of the shades are completely gone. And I also have this one for when I travel. I just feel like it's really small and handy dandy. Look, some of them are completely, I've hit pan on 3 of them and I just can't wait to see what the new one looks like. So we're gonna open it. It's one palette. Okay, I really like the packaging so far. It's exactly the same size as the original. So the only difference, I would say that this one is more of a hard cover. So this one is glossy. It has this little sheer transparent front over it. It comes with a mirror, full-length mirror here, as opposed to this one which comes with just like a little mirror, can you see? And this one is a full mirror. And it also has a double-sided brush. It's pink. It's cute. I feel like this one will be good for like all over colors, and then this one will be good for like spot coloring or like just some contouring. First impression wise, you've got some matte shades and you've got some metallic shades, definitely some more on the shimmery end, and then most of the shades have a purplish, dark purplish hue to it. So you have the nudes here and then it slowly progresses to like a darker pink, almost like a purple color, and then it goes to like more of a mauve-y, kind of like brownish dark cherry tone. So yeah, let's see what they look like on my arm. So as you can see, it comes with several nude shades. So this is a good nude shade for contouring. This is good for highlights. And then it goes into a more shimmery pink, a very pastel pink, kind of like a corally pinkish, light pinkish color. And this is actually my favorite from the first glance because I can see this champagne color being used in like almost an everyday situation. This is more like a bronzed brick color. Again, a very pastel purplish pink color. Don't really know when you would actually use it, maybe for Halloween or like a really Barbie look. This is more like a mauve color. This is also a purplish brick color, a very, very dark metallic shine, shimmer color. And this is kind of like a very dark brown shade. Perfect for like lining your eyes. So first we're gonna go into swatches. The first one is called Hot Spot. Looks like this. A good highlighting shade because it's matte. And then next is Caution. It's like a really beige shade. Third shade is called Bang Bang. And it's really pretty pink kind of shimmer, coral shimmer. And then we have Feels. Ooh, I like that one. Look at the pigmentation, guys. I like that one. And then we have Juicy. A very bright coral color. The next one is my favorite. It's called Turn On, and it's this nice shimmery champagne color. Next is called Ambitious. Ooh, I like that one too. Look at that. Just from one layer. Wow. Really good for like the outer V corner of your eyes. This one is a purple color called Bing. It's actually very wearable, much more wearable on the skin than it is on the palette. Very mauve-y, devilish, kind of similar to Bing but with a deeper shade of mauve. And then we have Young Love, kind of like a brick color and it's shimmers. And then we have Drunk Dial. I like this one. I like the name and I like the shade. It's a shimmery kind of dark brown color. And then last but not least, we have Privacy. It's a very dark brown. I feel like it really resembles this one, but this one is more of a shimmer. And this one's more of like a matte brown. This can be used for like contouring your eyes too. So there you have it. These are the 12 shades in the new Naked Cherry palette. I don't know, do you guys like the colors? I feel like a lot of these colors are nice, like they are very fall inspired, but maybe I myself would only wear a few colors. Like these two I would wear, maybe like the mauve one, definitely the champagne colored one. This is my favorite, it's called Turn On. This color turns me on. But you know, and maybe this one for like highlighting my brow bone, but other than that, I don't really see myself wearing all these light shades over here. Maybe more for spring. I feel like these shades over here are more for like a springish, reminds me of cherry blossoms more. And then these darker shades here are more fall appropriate, but you know, anyway, if you get this palette, you can have it both for fall and for spring and for winter, so let me know if you guys like it. So if you don't already know, Urban Decay also have a lipstick collection, their Vice lipstick collection. This is the newest shades from the same collection, the Naked Cherry. And we're just gonna be opening them and see what they look like. Okay, so this one is Devilish. It's a metallic lipstick and it looks like this. I feel like this is definitely a shade that we can go for this fall. Very mauve-y, very purplish mauve-y. Can go with any dark outfits or like darker looks, like this look I have on today. And this one is the Cherry, and it's more of a cream consistency. So this one is a cream lipstick. It doesn't have any of the metallic ones, and it's more of like a really deep shade of purple, almost brown. This literally looks like the shade of a cherry when you like first bite into them. The third one is called Juicy, and it's another metallic shade. Okay, and it's more of a nude shade, so I would wear this with more of like a smoky eye or like an everyday kind of look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had a lot of fun filming this for you, especially swatching all of them on my arm. I feel like every single time I go to Sephora, that's what I do all the time anyway, just like do a million swatches on my hand. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see me create a look with this palette or with this Naked Cherry collection, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know.